Alright, welcome to the video. So you saw the topic of the video, and what is your response? Do you prefer to get adjusted before the workout or after your workout?
Some days before, some days after.
You just like to get
some days both.
Okay, so we just worked out and did a lot of chest, so we're going to adjust him after. I personally like to be adjusted before, but again, it doesn't matter. You should just get adjusted in general. But yeah, so his preference is before and after. You don't have a preference at all?
It depends on what I'm doing and how I feel that day. If I feel out of whack, then I want it beforehand. If I don't feel out of whack.
Do you feel out of whack right now?
Yeah.
Look this way. So that's super restricted. Look this way. That way is not as bad. Tuck here. No, come back up. You can't cheat then. Just tuck. Okay, that's good. Look up at the ceiling. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys here a test that like pretty much everyone fails. Look back up to the ceiling for me. So when you do this, look as far as you can. That's as far as you can go. Okay, so the forehead and the chin here should be pretty much parallel to the ceiling. So that is very restricted into extension. But then his flexion is pretty good, so go back down again for me. Yeah, so you should be able to touch your chin to the top of your chest there. That's pretty good. Actually, a lot of people can't really do that, so. And then do ear to shoulder. Okay, go the other way. Yeah, so a little the faces. Is it painful or no?
Not painful, just tight.
Yeah, okay. Alright, let's have you go face down. So I'll show you the areas that I generally adjust on him. Face down. A little sweaty. So usually on him, he gets pretty locked up right, yeah, definitely through here. So kind of like T4 through T, like 6-ish, and then usually right there to kind of the bottom of the T-spine, almost the TL junction. Well, not really, I'd almost say like T9-ish. And then always he's locked up in his CT here, so yeah, a little bit at like T1 there. So we'll do that one, that one, that one, his pelvis. We're not going to adjust his pelvis today, and then we'll get his neck as well. Look up to the ceiling. Wow. Okay, no. And then we're going to do a little bit of the Hypervolt too. People have asked about this. It's the Hypervolt by Hyper Ice, and it has 3 settings. This is the highest one, just to help break up muscle tension. Opposite shoulder, yep. Press up here. Nope, there you go. Relax. Press. Relax. Alright, so without doing any muscle work, really, we're gonna recheck his range of motion, so chin to chest. Good, look at the ceiling. That's actually a lot better. Does it feel better to you? Yeah, that's a lot better actually. And look side to side. Go the other way. Alright. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of the video. So, to get adjusted before the gym, after the gym, before a sporting event, after a sporting event, it's really kind of dependent on the individual, which you prefer. I prefer to get adjusted before the gym, but I like to get adjusted anytime. So, that's gonna be the end of the video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. Check out the new website, chirofit-gym.com. I'll put it up on the screen. Apparel, the flexible dieting ebook cookbook is up. Just go check it out. So, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.